Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, oh my goodness, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys, I am finally going to dive into this month's Boxycharm. Anyways, if you want to see my thoughts on the May Boxycharm, and of course hear a little giveaway action, then just keep watching. This month's theme is Mother Nature, which is cute because May is Mother's Day month. I don't know if that wording makes sense, but you get what I'm trying to say. Mother's Day is in May. I do think the card is really cute. I love the floral pattern. Who doesn't love a good floral pattern? I know I do. But you guys, we have some stuff to talk about when it comes to Boxycharm. Does this face tell you what I'm thinking? Alright, I'm just gonna dive into the order of things that I see in here. As always, I'm gonna go through the items I'm keeping for myself, and then I will talk about the items I'm giving away. The first item I'm going to keep for myself is a Micellar water by Tarte. The reason I'm going to keep this is my hubby actually uses Micellar water all the time. I'm slowly getting him a little bit of a skincare regimen going on, and I find Micellar water is really easy for him at the end of the day to clean his face if he's not showering before bed. So this is really easy for him, and of course I sneak in there on occasion and use it to remove my makeup or some waterproof eyeliner or eyeshadow that doesn't want to come off. I have heard really good things about this Tarte, I almost called it Tarte Micellar water. This comes in at $18. So yes, the brand is higher end. Like, I love when I get stuff in here that I would normally find at a Sephora. I really appreciate that. I enjoy it. But $18? It's a decent price. It's not a high ticket item. We've definitely had bigger, badder, bolder items in Boxycharm, but I'm not disappointed by this item. The next thing I'm going to keep for myself is another skincare product, because if you're not new here, then you know I'm addicted to skincare. I love skincare so much. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. $49. Alright, there is a really big price tag. I love seeing high-end, expensive products in my box. It's like, yay, saving money, getting to use expensive products. It's a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boost skin's health, restore radiance, and balances skin biome. I wonder if this is a nighttime or a daytime. It doesn't specify a certain time of day. It just says leave it on for 10 minutes and you can kind of blot off any excess. But this is a mask you can leave on your skin. I like that. I feel like that's more effective if I'm not just washing off all the nutrients I just put on. So I am excited to give this a try. So if you've never done one of my giveaways before, let me tell you how they work so that you can get entered. The first thing is, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, join the Lash Fam. You will not regret it. The second thing is you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I just cannot afford to do international shipping at this time, but if you are an international subscriber, please know that you mean so much to me, and I'm so thankful that you're here and a part of the Lash Fam. Then the third thing is, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash Fam, and please leave an Instagram handle. It helps me contact you if I pull your name for if you're a winner. I don't know why words just escape me sometimes. So yes, the Instagram handle does help me, but if you don't have Instagram, it's not the end of the world. I will find another way to contact you. The first two make a nice little pair for somebody. This is an eyeshadow palette by Studio Makeup. Easy to wear eyeshadow palette, $35. It is a very everyday, user-friendly kind of go-to color scheme, which I do love. It is good to get products in here that aren't always bold or vibrant or in your face, because not everybody is into that. This is something most people will be willing to reach for. Then to go with it, I think this is perfect. This is the Studio, wait, no, not it. This is the Baddington Beauty Harlow 3D Silk Lashes with Mini Glue. So the glue is included. That's awesome. I will say the lashes do look really pretty. They are $31, so I usually, no, I don't think I've ever spent that much on a pair of lashes. I will not lie to you guys. So these are definitely an expensive, higher end pair of lashes. The third thing is Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon by Trace Steak. Now this is in the shade Bisque, which does look like my skin tone right now with a tan. I've been out in the sun over the last few weekends, so I think this would work for someone with light medium. It might even work for deeper skin if you're wanting something just to really brighten under the eyes to mix in with another concealer, or maybe even as an eyeshadow base. So definitely feel like this would still work out for quite a few people if you just kind of play with its use. Now this comes in at $24. It says it's an extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. Alright guys, that's everything I want to give away from this box. 3 items. I know someone will be so happy to receive these. I love doing giveaways. And I mentioned this in other videos, but starting next month is when I will start mailing out my past Boxycharm boxes. My state is now slowly getting back into normal life a little bit, so I'm feeling more comfortable with sending out some giveaway items. So yeah, be on the lookout. I'm going to be going back into my older videos and pulling some names. So yeah, alright you guys. So that is my box. I do want to say something. I have been very disappointed with Boxycharm, and I know I'm not alone because I've talked to other friends I have, other YouTubers, I've seen videos, I'm not the only one. I actually did decide to cancel my BoxyLuxe subscription, which is saying a lot because for so many months I was so happy with it, but I saw the sneak peeks for the June BoxyLuxe. I'm not thrilled with the sneak peeks, and I'm just like, you know what, I'd rather spend that money on something else, on an experience this summer. So I did go ahead and cancel that. It was hard, I debated, I really did, and I'm really on the fence about keeping Boxycharm, like really on the fence, and I truly cannot believe I'm saying that because I've been like the biggest proponent of Boxycharm. I'm not on their PR list, I'm not an affiliated person, like I push them every month because I truly find it to be a wonderful subscription for the price up until recent. The last maybe like 3 months have been pretty not great. This month, honestly, I love the fact that there's products in here I get to give away. That's another reason I really am debating. It's like I'll never be able to give away products monthly for the price of $25 a month. So that is the only thing that's really keeping me hanging on at this point. I just feel like since Boxycharm really started to push Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month instead of $25, the quality of Boxycharm has gone way, way down. And I don't think that's right. I don't think it's fair. I don't think it's good marketing or good business. If you want to offer something better than Boxycharm, go for it. I have no problem with that. I even was going to sign up for Premium. But you shouldn't let the Boxycharm boxes go downhill just because you want people to sign up for Premium. I feel like it's kind of being done on purpose. I get the vibe that they're making the Boxycharm boxes values less, using less known brands, less high-end products, so that you are more inclined to see the sneak peeks of Boxycharm Premium and be like, okay, I guess I need to upgrade. That will not be me. I almost fell for it. I almost did, but that will not be me. If anything, I will cancel my Boxycharm before I do that because I have been with Boxycharm since like the very beginning. I have raved about them for so long. I have recommended them to you guys, to friends. I'm going to give them another box or two because again, I love doing the giveaways every month. So I'm going to give them a little more time. But if the next couple boxes don't knock my socks off, then I'm going to give out Boxycharm because I don't like giving my money to a company that doesn't value all of their customers. Like, they should value everybody, the people who can afford the more expensive boxes and the people who can't afford or choose not to afford the more expensive boxes. So yeah, like I said, I want to hear what you guys think. Let me know down below. And that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, please, please, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.